Check out this 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This Silverado 1500 has just under 102,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the seat trim, leather, standard, extended cab includes front leather seating surfaces with rear vinyl bench. Crew cab includes front and rear leather appointed seating surfaces, not available on regular cab models. LT Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment, seats, front power reclining full-feature buckets, regular production accessory, assist steps, chrome-plated tubular, stainless steel. These steps are dealer-installed and shipped separately from vehicle to parts department with VIN identification on packaging. SPO supplied, dealer-installed rear axle, 3.42 ratio, refer to engine axle chart for availability. Standard on Ford WD models only. Not available with nice 4-wheel steering, air cleaner, high capacity, included with Z82, trailering equipment, heavy duty or view, snowplow prep package, cooling, external transmission oil cooler, auxiliary, heavy duty air to oil, requires M30, transmission, 4-speed automatic. Included with Z82, trailering equipment. Included with view, snowplow prep package, engine, Vortex 5300 speed, 295 horsepower, 219.7 kW at 5200 RPMs, 335 pounds ft. 452.3 Nm, at 4000 RPMs, standard on CC 1553, CK15953, and C15543 models only, and CK15753 models when nice 4-wheel steering is ordered. Included with PDU, light-duty power package, transmission, 4-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED with overdrive and 2-with-whole mode, standard, light-duty power package, sound system, FM stereo with 6-disc CD changer, trailering equipment, heavy duty and the paint, solid, standard. Call 877-705-3247 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.